I'm gonna tell Brandon take notes. You see this massage we got going on? He just he does this sometimes. And he look at the concentration. Look at the concentration and the precision of the pause, the precision and the concentration. You see how he's evenly distributing the massageness. Is see how he's kneading the thigh and he's really putting a lot of amount of love into it. Just look at the concentration on his face. Look at the concentration. That's right. That's right. That's right. Get you some. That's right. Cause he doing it with love. Cause he love me. Right. He said, "Take notes, Brandon. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him, Sonny. Sonny, tell him take notes. Take notes."